here, Brother Paul, Mr. Ashley, facilitators, my collaborators at DBTA, and my dear DBTA network members. Once again, good morning.
Good morning.
First and foremost, I would like to welcome you all to Don Bosco Youth Educational Services, which is DBS, in Nairobi, to this workshop on life skills. I'm happy today that most of us for the first workshop are here, and this will ensure continuity. One of the outcomes of the labor market survey that we did in 2018-2019 was on the importance of life skills in Tibet training. And many of you were part of that survey as well. Many of the employers acknowledged the fact that one of the things that made Don Bosco graduates to stand out is life skills. And we too are happy to acknowledge and take it forward. That's why we are here today. We want to give the best and the latest to our young people. There are many others who have acknowledged this great contribution from Don Bosco and Don Bosco Tech Africa in the line of life skills. And one of them is the African Union. The African Union has recognized the great role played by Don Bosco Tech Africa and has invited us to be part of the African Union Life Skills Cluster. And we are happy and privileged to be part of African Union Life Skills Cluster. I cannot take all the credit for it for myself or for DBTech Africa alone. And that's where I need to acknowledge the great contribution from CIE, the Catholic Institute of Education from South Africa. They have been our close collaborators in this journey. Their presence here is a great testimony to that. They have dared the threat of COVID and have come over. Thank you very much. Secondly, the manual that we are using was developed by CIE. And they have been gracious enough to share with us the manual and even the copyright with some conditions. They have allowed us to use this manual and even translate it to French and Portuguese. Dear CIE partners, we are truly grateful, and you can be assured that your work is benefiting and is going to benefit thousands of young people in the continent through the DBTA network. Finally, my dear participants, my dear network partners, you are privileged to be here today to be part of this workshop. What you carry back to your countries should not remain on the shelves or within you only. It has to be passed on to the young people in our training centers. You have the responsibility to train others, to train our young people. If you do not do that, all our efforts would be in vain. We have even translated and printed these manuals at great cost. Let it not go to waste. Please liaise with the Tibet coordinators and youth ministry delegates in your provinces to take it down to the Tibet centers. And when you do that, you will be participating and continuing the mission of Don Bosco, that of empowering and enriching the lives of young people. A big thank you to my colleagues from the office for the hard work put in to organize this workshop. Wish you all a successful week of learning and engagement. May God bless you and keep you safe. And with these few words, I would like to officially open this workshop. Thank you very much.